Good day, everyone. Okay, our lesson for today is about solving exponential equations. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner is able to solve exponential equations and solve problems involving exponential equations. But before we proceed to the operation, we must recall first the one-to-one property of exponential function. And that is, if x sub 1 not equal with x sub 2, then the base b raised to x sub 1 is not the same with the base b raised to the x sub 2. Conversely, if base b raised to x sub 1 is the same or equal with the base b x sub 2, then probably the exponent is also equal. Example 1. Solve the equation which is 4 raised to x minus 1 equals to 16. And that is one example of exponential equation. Okay, step-by-step procedure. First, we are going to solve the equation. Write both sides with 4 as the base of the given equation. Since from the left side is 4 and yung base niya ay 4, dun sa other side, pwede mo siyang gawing base 4 with the exponent of 2. Diba? Tandaan natin, yung 16, result yan ng 4 raised to 2. Okay? Next. Since yung left and right ay parehas na siya ng base, ang base nila ay 4. Therefore, yung ating base dun sa ating property, yung 1-to-1 exponential equation property, kung parehas sila ng base, ibig sabihin, probably yung kanilang exponents din ay pwedeng maging equal. Since ang kanilang exponent ay x minus 1, then sa right side naman ay 2, so pwede silang maging equal. According to 1-to-1 property of exponential functions. So, probably by this portion, pwede nating makuha yung value ng x. Okay? Simply equate the given x minus 1 equals to 2. So, the value of x is 3. Okay? Another example. Example 2. Solve the equation. The given equation is 125 raised to x minus 1 equal with 25 raised to x plus 3. Okay? Again, using the step-by-step solution. So, both side, yung bases ng both side natin, 125 and 25, can be written using base of 5. Diba? Kasi, ang 125 ay pwede siya maging result ng 5 raised to 3. Or yung tinatawag natin 5 cube. Ang base naman ng 25, pwede siyang maging the same with 5 square. So, probably magiging same na ang kanilang bases. Okay? So, from 125, we have 5 cube. Same exponent, x minus 1. Sa right side naman ay 5 squared, yun yung 25 na base. Ang exponent naman niya ay x plus 3. Again, following the property, 1-to-1 property of exponential functions. So, same base. Ang kanyang exponent, following the law of exponent, yung 3 ay magiging product with the another exponent x minus 1. Ganon din sa right side. 2 times the x plus 3. That is one of the law of exponent. Okay? Same base. Ibig sabihin, yung kanyang magiging exponent ay magiging equal. Exponent ng left side, 3, quantity x minus 1. Exponent naman ng right side ay 2, quantity x plus 3. By simply operation of equation, so we have 3x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 6. Okay, tuloy-tuloy ang operation. Then finally, we have the value for x. The value for x is 9. Okay. Next example, number 3. Solve the equation which is 9 raised to x square. Sa right side naman ay 3 raised to x plus 2. Dito naman sa case na to, ang pwede nating kuhanin ng same base together with 3. So, yung 9. So, yung 9 and 3, pwede nating isulat as 3 for the bases. Okay? So, sa left side, what happened? From 9, so pwede siya maging 3 square because 3 square is the same also with 9. Then sa kabila, rewrite lang 3 raised to x plus 2. Continue. Since parehas na siya ng base, meron tayong base na 3, yung exponent ng 3 ay pwede mo siyang gamitan ng law of equation. So, magiging 2 raised to x square equals x plus 3. Sa cases na to, ito ay isang example ng quadratic equation. So, pwede nating i-recall yung solving quadratic equation. By process of solving quadratic equation, so magiging 2x raised to 2 minus x minus equals to 0, equating with 0. Then, pwede na siyang gamitan ng factoring. 2x squared minus x minus equals to 0 is using the factoring. So, meron tayong factors na 2x minus 3 and x plus 1. Since the product of the two factors is the same with the 2x squared minus x minus 3. So, probably meron tayong two possible solutions. One is for 2x minus 3 equals 0 and that is x equals 3 halves. Or, yung isa naman, x plus 1 equals 0, then the value of x is negative 1. So, the solutions for the given equation are 3 halves and negative 1. That's all. Thank you.